Hi and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back again. And I must say, I do these videos literally on the hop from my kitchen, because if I had to plan the whole production of getting these videos out, I would never do them. It's been so long since I've wanted to get these videos done, and I wanted to do them with all lights and camera, but I want you to get this information raw and direct, and I want to be able to get them out to you each day. So thank you for coming back. Sorry for the shaky hand, but the information is so important. So thank you for being here. Today, we're diving into the world of natural healing with a focus on burdock root. This incredible herb has been traditionally used to support the body during cancer treatment. We'll explore the science behind its beneficial properties and how to use it, and important precautions to keep in mind. So what is burdock root? Well, as you can see here, it's a root which is dried and cut that I've put here for you. And this is the form in which most of the time you will get it in. And this is organic burdock root. Now, it's scientifically known as Arctium lappa. It's a biennial plant native to Europe and Asia, and it's been used for centuries in traditional medicines, particularly in Chinese and Japanese practices. Now, research has shown that burdock root contains powerful antioxidants such as quercetin, lutein, L-U-T-E-O-L-I-N, I may have pronounced that wrong, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Now, additionally, studies suggest that it has anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and detoxifying properties. But let's take a closer look at these properties. The antioxidant activity of burdock root in vitro, published in the Journal of Food Science, found burdock root showed significant antioxidant activity, which can help reduce oxidative stress in the body. The anti-tumor effects of burdock root on human lung cancer cells, published in the International Journal of Oncology, found extracts of burdock root inhibited the growth of lung cancer cells in vitro. Now, the effect of burdock root on heavy metal detoxification, published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, I beg your pardon, I nearly pronounced that wrong, I wanted to get it right for you, found burdock root helped enhance the elimination of heavy metals from the body, supporting overall detoxification. Now, if that's not a herb that can really help in terms of its powerful properties, I don't know what is. But let's look at how the use of burdock root, just simply made as a tea, can be made that you can incorporate into your routine. So here's what you'll need. You'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of your burdock root and 1 cup of water. Bring the water to a boil. Add the dried burdock root to the boiling water, reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I've prepared a pan already that I had simmered for 10 minutes, and I've used 2 teaspoons of the dried burdock root here. Now, once you reduce from boiling point, you give it 10 to 15 minutes, the simmering is important to keep it going to extract the powerful properties of the root. And then lastly, you just strain the tea into a cup and enjoy. And I made a cup here, and this is like 10 minutes of it having been brewed. And look at it, it just looks so powerful. Now, I just want to let you know about a few things here, because not only can you drink it twice a day. 2 cups is all you need. Remember, consistency is key when using herbal remedies. And while some people may notice improvements within a few weeks, it may take several months of regular use, to see significant benefits. So do be consistent. But here are some cautions that I need to let you know, and precautions to be aware of. Now, this is not a replacement for medical cancer treatment. Also, some individuals may experience an allergic reaction to burdock root. So start with a small dose to test your tolerance, just a teaspoon perhaps to start with. Now, avoid the using this during pregnancy and breastfeeding unless advised by a healthcare provider. And always seek your healthcare provider's advice, especially as burdock root may interact with certain medications, including diuretics, blood sugar lowering drugs. Please consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. That's very important, particularly if you are on diuretics and blood lowering medication, okay, for blood sugar. Also, quality matters. So ensure that you purchase burdock root from a reputable source to avoid contamination with harmful substances. To find organic burdock root, you can click the link in the description below and get 50% off. So there you have it, burdock root. It's a powerful herb with potential benefits for those undergoing cancer treatment. Its antioxidant and anti-tumor and detoxifying properties make it a valuable addition to a holistic health regimen. Remember to use it responsibly and in conjunction with professional medical advice. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and hit that notification button for more natural health tips. And leave your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.